Listen, I got everything on it. Let's see what it's hitting like. Baby, she wrapped it to perfection. The sandwich wasn't anything but $6.49 for my wrap, which is amazing. So it's called the Publix Meatless Turkey Club. And it says hot. I don't know if that means spicy. And y'all, I've been addicted to these organic seaweed snacks. This flavor's teriyaki. Y'all, when I tell you, I've been addicted. Now my dog want to go outside because he sees I'm on a video. So he rings his bell. I'm going to let him out.